Puppies!
Anytime there's a dog inside any house, these guys are writing dogs so that we know, so the animal rescue folks know that there's a dog in there that needs to get out.
I'm glad you saw her again. Ooh, there's a dog in there.
Hey, are you hungry? Oh.
Oh, come on, baby.
We gotta keep moving back. It's okay. It's I'm sorry, you little honey.
Oh my god. He ate his head, huh?
No, the head's up there. He ate his legs.
Hi, sweetie. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. You got a cut on his face?
He's a good baby.
This is gonna be the easiest catch.
Hi, Peanut. Good big
These
baby.
guys are so fat.
He's got like the big. Oh, look at you. I like you.
Yeah, let's do a food trail for her too. That's earlier. Good girl. Good girl.
All right, Mama. It's all right, no Mama.
Good girl. Ooh.
Numminess in there. Numminess.
Not that one. You can check that one too, because I haven't checked.
Let me see what we got here first. Oh, they're way dead.
How long do you think they've been dead, Laura?
Hang on. Oh my God, she's still alive.
Shaka, it's gonna be all right.
They're going to take care of you here, baby.
It's gonna be all right, Shaka.
Okay, honey. Caleb, can you drive? I want her on my lap.
Drive that.